Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to change language in Google Gemini app. The first one is just simply open the application, the Gemini app, and go to your profile in the top right corner of the screen and go ahead and go for the settings down below. And after that, just simply go for the languages. So guys, from here, as you can see, you will see here multiple language that works with Gemini. So you will have multiple options over here. And you could also just simply go ahead and tap on the English over here. As you can see, you will have a message. Tap to choose a different language. And from here, you can tap on add a language. And from here, you will have multiple options as well. And from here, once you have done that, guys, just simply go ahead and select your preferred language. And you can just simply switch it and it will close the app. And when you open it up, it should be a different language. There goes, see ya.